Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-agent lakaShinga bafethu lathi bachuze i-Kaizer Chiefs noma bakhethe i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba bekuzoba lula for uShinga ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana. Uthi kuzoba easy ukuthi abe laphana kuBafana Bafana. That is why bachuze i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi-ke indlela e-right for uShinga ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana meku Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke so far uShinga akakadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, siyakwazi lokho bafowethu. So ngikhulumile even nalento le few days back ukuthi-ke iphupho lakhe neBafana Bafana at the moment lisamile. But I want to go back to something that I saw. Kaizer Chiefs, they've been struggling for left back for some time manje. Even i-kickoff yasho ukuthi the last left back ababa nayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs solid bafethu Tshepo Masilela. Niyakhumbula ukuthi how long ago that was ukuthi uTshepo Masilela kudala bafethu, how long that was, how many years is it 20 bani uTshepo Masilela me laphana, because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uTshepo Masilela bebuya eSpain that time asana neKaizer Chiefs. Since then they haven't had a solid left back. Umlungu obvious manje this season siyambona bafethu uyazama ukuperforma kahle, uyalwa. uShinga naye ulethiwe, uma kulethiwe ukuthi lesa space se-left back sibe highly competitive, but yeah, I mean it's not really happening. Umlungu somjaja isizini miphela ukuthi udlale kanjani, noShinga naye uzojajwa isizini miphela ukuthi udlale kanjani. uMako bonke nje bazojajwa kahle after ama-game wesizini ngoba maningi kakhulu ama-game abazowadlala bafethu. Kune-CAF Confederations Cup, kune-league, kusasele i-Nedbank, so sobabona. So masibheka umuntu, I think even uDove bafethu, to be honest, beyishaya i-left back. Ukuthi-ke nje into emshayile ukuthi bese kanama-injuries kakhulu, but i-left back bekayishaya. uDitlhokwe akalastanga kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, so sabona ukuthi bavele bamthengisa because of i-Kaizer Chiefs makuze i-offer right abafana babathengisa. I won't even talk about uBongani Sam bafethu, azange adlale negame eyodwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uSifiso Hlanti bekunama moments la kubonakala ngathi uyi-quality player, but-ke he never really, there was, I don't know behind the scenes bokwenzakalani, but uHlanti, there was something offish compared to uHlanti lo waku, what is this team, i-Bidvest Wits, yes, le bekayidlalela, right? Babazamile abantu aba-different, aboPhilani Zulu, oNtiyantiya, uKhumalo, baba Keegan Richie, but they didn't become ama-left back like a solid, a powerful for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So Umlungu is giving i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-hope ukuthi possibly he could be the one, but ngihlezi mangikhuluma ngomlungu ukuthi ku-continental level i-physique yakhona kuzodlala 6 games, so bona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyihandlela na ku-continental level, because if uzokwazi ukuhandlela ku-continental level i-physique yakhona awuzoba sharp-ke bafowethu. Ube nama-moments wakhe last season la bekungekho sure ngaye umlungu, because of mabamface isikhathi esiningi is easily like i-defense akusi-strength sakhe, to be fair. Yabona uCross Mombek i-defense akusi-strength sakhe, nakanayo that pace. I remember this game against the Orlando Pirates, abhithwa uNkotha a few times, ngabona ukuthi i-pace akanayo, and you gotta have a pace ukuthi udlale kuleya position le. So having uMako, masibheka uMako i-pace unayo, i-physique nayo akanayo. uShinga unawo umzimba, i-speed unaso, is he a good mark off the ball? So bona when he's given an opportunity to play. I mean obviously iminyaka for uShinga bafethu sasekhona esayidini lakhe. He's still young-ish, not too young, but like kusasenayo iminyaka ukuthi angadlala ku-professional setup for the next 7 years or so, or even more mayefika kuma-30s wakhe, 8 years, 10 years, kuya ngokuthi uphatha kanjani umfana. But-ke i-move yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs izoshape i-career yakhe, ukuthi izoshape i-career yakhe for the next couple of years. Why ngithi izoyishape i-career yakhe? Because if uyadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, he could possibly be long term ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abe i-left back yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs for isikhathi eside, or if akadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs, let's say ku-2 seasons akadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs or akadlala amagame amaningi, bazobona nayo bam-offload. And then from i-Kaizer Chiefs, if you didn't play, ufana noBongani Sam, uzoya kuphi? Uzoya ku-Chippa United or ko-Magesi. But-ke I saw any comment la, comment section, umfowethu athi maningi ama-game this season bazodlala abantu, wonke umuntu uzodlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, abantu abaningi bazodlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but what we're talking about i-influence, ukuthi ukudlala kwabo kuzobabekaphi in terms of ama-minutes abazowadlala ne-contribution yabo ethimini. Cause if udlala 5 games ngesizini, uyafanela nomuntu ongadlala. If udlala, for example ngithi udlala 5 games, ungene ema-second half, the only ama-games owadlalayo kula i-team seyi-sure seyiwina boma-training league kuphela, or 2-0 soku-late ukuthi ba-waste isikhathi ngabo bakufake ngaboma-89 minutes. I mean uyafanela nomuntu onganawo ama-minutes enough. So i-team lo ozoya kuyo or lama-team akufunayo next, ku-Kaizer Chiefs bakunika i-contract lesi ye-150,000. Awudlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs for 2 years or a season, so kumele manje bakuhambise. So kumele uyotrayela ko-Chippa United, same thing yenzeka kuBongani Semba mfowethu. So that's not it. And then uChippa United mawufika bazokuhlaba ngo-30,000 baphume from 150,000. Yabona manje ukuthi impilo-ke iba-trick. But yeah, kune-hope laphana for uShinga nama-players lesi afana nabomako njengoba bafikele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazoba ne-solution ngempela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They have been missing for a couple of years ukuthi bazokwazi ukuba laphana ku-left back. But kumuntu okumele bamprefere okwamanje umlungu bafethu, umlungu uba no-cross because of udlala kahle. So you cannot just replace umuntu ngoba ufila ngathi usibanibani angenza kangcono. No, udlalisa lo muntu lona odlalayo performayo at the moment, and then abanye if they pick up nabo they have to prove themselves ukuthi phela bayadeserve ukudlala ngithi. So awuveli uthi for example uMako uyabuya from i-injury, right? So njengoba abuya from injury uthola uCross udlala kahle kakhulu, akumelanga bavele ba-change bafake uMako immediately. No, kumele bayeke uCross adlale, i-performance yakhe izi-drop, if iya-drop i-performance yakhe, and then they reintroduce uPaseka Mako. Cause manje mabazovele ba-introduce uMako, uCross ekhona edlala kahle kanje bafowethu, akukho right, yabo? Akukho right. They have to wait for ukuthi umfowethu i-performance yakhe i-drop. But so far so good for umlungu. Ama-performance kamlungu agudi kakhulu bafethu, aqhubeke njalo umfethu adelive, enze kahle kakhulu. Shinga indaba yakhe ayaziwa kwamanje. Bafana Dream, you won't play for Bafana. And at the okwamanje ngeke udlale for Bafana. At the same time futhi Hugo Broos akabaselect abantu baku-Kaizer Chiefs. So even if you performed and you played, indaba yakho yokuza ku-Kaizer Chiefs kusasekhona uHugo Broos nabanye laphana ku-technical team yaBafana, khohlwa nje Bafana. Uzoyibona i-technical team when the technical team is different, and then you can start thinking of Bafana. But at the moment ubhuti akana chance ukuthi abe kuBafana. Kumele nje afocus ku-game yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nama-contributions wakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzocontribute kanjani umiseleni for i-team, and then he can take it from there ukuthi athathe ibhola lakhe to the highest level. Because if you don't make it ethimini yakho, you just have to forget mfethu. Kumele uzame ezinye izinto, cause kumele uzame ngezinye iy'ndlela ngempela ukuthi abantu baku-recognize nanokuthi bakubone. Possibly maybe ukubuyela ePortugal umfana ngamsiza lese a season or 2. If like uyahlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs season yonke izinto zenzakala kanje, maybe kumele acele ukuthi hayi bamlone ayodlala kwenye i-team aziprove khona aphinde abuye. Cause ukungadlali i-problem bafethu, to be fair. Season i-long, but ku-Kaizer season i-long, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-season ayikho long bafethu. I-short i-season uma udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-short because every game kumele udlale ngathi udlala i-final. Every game kune-pressure for o-coaches ukuthi ba-deliver. O-coach ama-selection wabo ba-select abantu aba-wrong, abangeke ba-deliver for bona. Inkinga of the problem, it's a big problem. So yeah, it's the nature of the beautiful game. Libuhlungu ibhola bafethu, uyaplana ukuthi ufuna ukuya kule team lena ngoba izokunika ama-opportunities angcono ukuthi uye somewhere, fika izinto zingahambi kahle at all. But yeah, ziyakhala. Ngimfisela inhlanhla uShinga, ngimfisela inhlanhla ama-left back awu-3 ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They all have to fight for that position. So bona ukuthi ubani ozoba better and greater isizini iloku iqhubeka. Yinde yona isizini bafethu, inde kakhulu. but i-short uma ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simaking sure bafowethu ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.